Getting ready to head to Florida. And this is the site this morning. Snow everywhere. Just a dusting at least. Better than the ice storm when we left for our last trip. But it's cold. Had the block warmer plugged in all night. Had some heat going in the bus so the plumbing and stuff doesn't freeze. It's in the 20s. Shouldn't be too long. We'll be above freezing temperatures. So here we are. We're just outside of Birmingham, Alabama right now. So you can see on the destination sign, Birmingham is actually one of the original stops of our bus. I didn't really get a chance to shoot a video of that rear end, but I did finish it. It's been doing great. Got it all put back together. I had to dimple the shit out of it. And then after I dimpled it, I used, when I put the race in, we used the Loctite 660. It's real quiet, it's nice and tight. Let it dry for 24 hours before I drove it. It did real good. So the rear end's been great, no problems with it. Bus is handling well. About 500 miles we got in already today. I'm just gonna sit, I'm just outside of Birmingham at a rest area here, and I'm gonna wait. It's Friday night. It's about 4 o'clock. I don't want to go through Birmingham at 4:30. So we'll sit here and rest for a few hours and then get through Birmingham tonight. Heading down to Florida. But it's always nice to take the bus back through the cities where it used to service.